Hi and welcome to the first Architecture and Design weekly news wrap. It will be recapping some of the major news in architecture and design from around Australia. And major news in architecture and design around Australia this week: the high-profile acquisition of architecture practice Woodhead by global outfit GHD continues to generate a lot of interest. Over the last week, more detail was emerging through the administrator's report, including the massive drop in revenue in recent years. And another topic which has heads turning is the proposed $4 billion casino and resort for Cairns. This week, dramatic-looking new artist's impression came to light as an environmental impact statement was presented to the Queensland Government. The imagery gives you an idea of the scale and how the agricultural site would be transformed into a 73-hectare resort with 9 luxury hotels, 25,000-seat stadium, a cultural heritage centre and an 18-hole golf course. Meanwhile, in Sydney, the local government unveiled entries in a competition to design a new multi-purpose park and aquatic centre for the major urban project at Green Square. In all, 143 Australian and international architects entered. All of those concepts can be viewed online, where they remain anonymous. The public response will be taken into consideration as the judging panel whittles the entries down to a short list of 5. A couple of major industry awards nights were held over the weekend. At the Australian Interior Design Awards, the big winner was a former butter manufacturing warehouse in West Melbourne, which Adrian and Moore Architects converted into an incredible loft apartment. Its clever spatial planning and exploration in plasticity and light in particular impressed the judging panel. A host of other impressive projects were also awarded on the night across 12 categories. Now, top story this week was actually the announcement of the Property Council of Australia Awards. Taking out the Australian Development of the Year award there was Brookfield Place in Perth by Brookfield, designed jointly by architects Hassel and Fitzpatrick and Partners. The project is credited with making a major contribution to Perth's skyline, transforming what was an unloved heritage area into a spectacular new space. In all, 83 nationwide finalists were narrowed down to 16 category winners. You can find all the award winners, along with all our stories, which I've mentioned, online at architectureanddesign.com.au. And that's Architecture and Design for the week.